Hey, beautiful souls. I want to talk about something that lives in all of us: self-doubt. It's that nagging voice that tells you you're not good enough, you'll fail, or you don't deserve this. We all have that inner critic, and for so many of us, it shapes the way we see ourselves and what we believe we're capable of. But here's the truth: that voice, it's not who you are. It's just a script, words and beliefs you've picked up over time. Maybe it came from a critical parent, a painful experience, or society's impossible standards. Whatever its source, it's not permanent. And it's not the truth. The good news is you can rewrite that script. You can take control of the narrative running through your mind and replace self-doubt with confidence and self-belief. It starts with awareness. Pay attention to how you talk to yourself. When that inner critic speaks, ask yourself, is this true? Is this helpful? Is this kind? Most of the time, you'll realize those thoughts are lies you've been telling yourself. Next, challenge those lies. For every "I can't," replace it with "I can try." For every "I'm not enough," replace it with "I am worthy." This might feel strange or forced at first, but think of it as training your brain to think differently. Over time, those new empowering beliefs will start to feel natural. Another powerful step: focus on your wins. Self-doubt thrives on our mistakes and failures, but confidence is built by celebrating even the smallest victories. Did you show up today? Did you try something new? Did you face a challenge, even if you stumbled? Those are wins. Acknowledge them. And remember, confidence doesn't mean you never feel doubt. It means you choose to act despite it. Confidence is a skill, not a trait. And every time you take a step outside your comfort zone, you're strengthening it. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. Whether it's supportive friends, uplifting books, or inspiring videos, fill your mind with voices that build you up rather than tear you down. You have the power to transform your inner script. Imagine what your life would look like if that voice in your head became your biggest cheerleader instead of your harshest critic. Imagine what you could achieve if you truly believed in yourself. Today, I invite you to start rewriting your story. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. And above all, remember this: you are worthy, you are capable, and you have everything you need within you to thrive. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who might need a reminder of their own strength. Let's rewrite our scripts together.